Why do they figure they have to do this? I hate it! Got some stupid, weird Target exclusive, I think, pack all wrapped up in this shit. So let's see if we can get this open. Son of a bitch. We've got that stupid thing open. Let's see what we got. Got a Blastoise coin or something. We got a base Sun and Moon. And we got a Darkness Ablaze. And we got a little trading card here. Alright, awesome. Okay, we're gonna split this video into two. Catch you nerds soon. Alright, now that we got that taken care of, here's the Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze pack. There we go. Good for whoever wants it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 to the front. Let's see what energy we have. Leaf. Mushroom. Bear. Corporate. Bird. Horse. Monkey. Peener. Bull. Let's see. Reverse Galarian. Darmanitan, and Shiny Tyranitar, baby! Alright, wait. Sorry, Holo Tyranitar, not Shiny. Whatever, I don't care. See you guys in the next one, Crinsonaga. By soon, I meant immediately with this base Sun and Moon pack, which apparently they're still trying to get rid of. Son of a bitch. There we go. Alright, I'm not sure how these work, so here, have a shitty code. 1, 2, 3 to the front, we'll try that. Yeah! We got a Repel, we got a Golbat, we got this guy, who I already have the holo of. Rattata, Sandile, Bird, whatever. Reverse Bird. Oh! Actually, that's pretty good. I usually never get excited over energies, but this is a secret rare, Steel Energy? That should be worth something. Alright, catch you guys in the next one. This has been Crinsonaga.